Ryan, when Gareth Bale turned up in the summer, he admitted later, before the last couple of games, that he wasn't fully match fit. He's not played since Croatia. Is he ready for 2 games in 4 days?
Yes. So yeah, obviously Gareth hasn't played, like you say. Gareth Bale. Which is not ideal, but he's trained well at Madrid last week, and then we've tried to get some volume of training in this week. So he looks good. No, he looks good and he feels good. So yeah, I think he'll be ready for tomorrow. No, he's been injured. And they were just talking about his fitness, and so his fitness is okay.
Onlar deməli Gareth adlı oyuncudan danışılır. Həmin oyuncu bu yaxınlarda zədələnmişdi. Ancaq Mr. Onun cənab onun vəziyyətinin hal-hazırda normal, yaxşı olduğunu bildirir.
Can you only think about tomorrow night, or do you have to plan for both games in your team selection?
Yeah, I mean, it's important game tomorrow night, but of course we will probably need to win both games. So yeah, tomorrow is a big game, but also yeah, with a little eye on Tuesday as well.
Cənab sabah olduqca mühüm bir oyunun olacağını bildirir və sabah çalışacaq ki, hər iki komandaya da yəni uğurlar arzulayır. Yəni sabah qalib olmağa çalışmaq uğrunda olduğunu bildirirlər.
Do you have a big decision to make at centre back with Ashley Williams now playing, but maybe Chris Meppen having been on the bench for Bournemouth?
Yeah. Obviously it's good to have Meps back. It was a blow. Obviously Joe Rodon, because he's done so well for us over the last few games. But yeah, Meps obviously at a Premier League club. Ash is playing again. We've got Lockie as well. James Lawrence, who has been injured, but has looked good this week. So yeah, I've got plenty of decisions to make regarding that position, but I'm quite happy with the players that I've got.
Can you tell me about it was James Lawrence, right?
Yes.
He was injured, right?
Yes.
And you're talking to me now?
Now he's fit.
Now he is fit.
Yes.
And you said you have plenty of decisions, right?
Yes, plenty of decisions to make in the defensive positions. Yes.
Hal-hazırda deməli oyuncu James Lawrence'ın vəziyyəti haqqında danışılır və bildirilir ki, o yaralandığına, bir qədər zədə aldığına baxmayaraq hal-hazırda vəziyyəti yaxşıdır və Mr. Cənab bu yaxınlarda bir neçə mühüm qərarların alacağını bildirir. Qarşılarında çoxlu qərar var və onlar bu oyunda müdafiəçi qismində olacaqlarını bildirir.
And Gareth Bale and Daniel James both on 2 yellow cards. How mindful do they have to be about the possibility of being booked tomorrow?
Yeah, all players. Obviously, we've seen Joe Allen miss out on this game because of suspension. So yeah, discipline is a big part of winning games, so we'll need to be disciplined, and yeah, still you want players to be obviously competitive and committed, but with an eye on not giving stupid fouls away to get easy yellow cards.
Can you just give me a short of what you said, like?
Yeah, there are 2 players and yellow cards. So if and yellow cards. So if they have another yellow card.
They haven't got?
If they have another yellow card.
If they have no yellow card?
No, if they have one more yellow card,
One more card?
they're suspended.
They're suspended, right? Can I ask you to Cənab bildirir ki, sizdən bir qədər sakit olmanızı xahiş edir. Çünki veriləcək suallar çoxdur və sizdən müəyyən qədər diqqətli yanaşmanızı tələb edir. Və digər tərəfdən isə cənab bildirir ki, oyun prinsipləri olduqca, oyunda nizam-intizam qaydaları olduqca mühümdür. İki oyuncu olmuşdur ki, oyunda hansı ki bir sarı kart almışlar və onlar şübhəli hesab olunmuşdular.
Ryan, you hinted at it before. Has Gareth had to do extra training this week?
No, Gareth's not had to do extra training because of the space in between the two games. So we were able to get good volume in the players on Tuesday and Wednesday. So it wasn't a case of extra training. We had the chance to train really hard, not really hard, but harder than you usually would on the Tuesday and Wednesday. And then we hardly did anything yesterday, and of course day before a game today. So it wasn't a case of more than anyone else. It was a case of we had the time, so we can get the volume into the players that needed it on that Tuesday and Wednesday.
Cənab bildirir ki, bu ikinci gün və üçüncü günləri bir qədər oyunculara məşq etməsi üçün bir qədər çətin oldu. Yəni onların kifayət qədər zamanları qalmadı bir o qədər çox məşq etməyə.
Ryan, to coin your old manager at Manchester United, Sir Alex Ferguson, is this squeaky bum time in the group?
Has been for the last few games. No, obviously two big games. Obviously you're running out of games, so no, we're just focused on tomorrow and winning the game. It's as simple as that. And the players are ready. They're looking forward to the game and excited. It's a challenge. It's not an easy game. Obviously with the travelling, Azerbaijan had a good result last time at home against Croatia, drawing. So it's not an easy game, but the lads are ready for it.
Cənab oyunun asan oyun olmadığını bildirir və bildirir ki, biz bu oyunda qalib olmağa çalışırıq. Baxmayaraq ki, oyun çətindir və ola bilsin ki, problemlərlə qarşılaşmaq şansımız ola bilər. Ancaq bu oyuncular olduqca həyəcanlı olmaqlarına baxmayaraq ki, həyəcanlıdırlar. Biz əlimizdən gələn ən yaxşı etməyə çalışacaq və qalib olmağa çalışacaqlarını bildirir.
Azərbaycana xoş gəlib. Vaxtilə milli komandamıza qarşı futbolçu kimi də oynayıb. İndi baş məşqçi kimi milli komandamıza qarşı qarşılaşıb. Necə paralellər aparardı bu müddətdə? Milli komandamızda nə dəyişib, nə diqqətini çəkib, necə müqayisə aparardı?
Okay. Yeah, obviously I played against Azerbaijan. Obviously it's
Bəli, o bildirir ki, o Azərbaycana qarşı
Sorry, excuse me. Can we have the whole answer first and then thank you.
Yeah, obviously I played in Azerbaijan, so I've been to the country before, so parallels there's not many. From being a player and a manager, but no, we just like as a player, as a manager, I recognise that it's a very difficult game.
Və açıq-aşkardır ki, cənab Azərbaycana qarşı bir zamanlar oynadığını bildirir, ancaq hal-hazırda menecer kimi də oyunun çətin və həyəcanlı olduğunu bildirir.